So recently I have done job switch from 5 LPA to more than 200% hike, and this is my only first switch, and how I did that and how you can also do it, real life, real story and real results. Watch this video till end. In this video we are going to discuss how I upskilled myself, which certification I did, how I build my resume. I didn't build it on Word document, I built it on LaTeX Overleaf. I'm going to on that website and going to show you how I build that resume and which template I have used in detail. Also how I managed my LinkedIn profile and Naukri profile as well, and how I managed my multiple offers, the negotiation, everything in detail we are going to discuss. So my name is Tejas and you're watching Alpha Engineer channel. So let's get this started. So let's start this video with how you can handle 90 days notice period. It's very tough challenge. In some companies it is 90 days, some companies it is 30 days and 60 days as well. So to handle this notice period, what I did, I simply started applying to the big MNCs such as TCS, Capgemini, Infosys, and there are many big companies that accepts 90 days to 60 days. There are more companies you can research on internet or chat GPT you can do. So mainly I went for TCS walk-in interview and I got selected, and they accepted my 90 days notice period. So that's how I resigned. That's my story. You can also target these companies and go for and handle your notice period. And also you can tell a lie, but that's not what I recommend. You can just simply tell them that I have official 90 days of notice period, but it can be negotiable up to 30 days to 60 days after discussing with the manager. He can release me early, and in some companies there are options to buy out as well, so you can opt for that as well by discussing with your manager. So what happened with me, actually I started applying for jobs on LinkedIn, Naukri, and parallelly I was studying. Then what happened, I got to know that there are walk-in interviews also happening around my area. I'm from Pune. I got to know TCS is hiring, so I went for walk-in interview to TCS. First round was technical, then managerial round, then there was one more round, and I'm still not sure what that round was about. They just asked me some common questions and confirmation and told me that I'm hired and all. And then online they took my HR round, and they simply accepted my 90 days notice period. Okay, even in the resume, I mean in the offer letter, it was mentioned as 120 days I have to give when I'm going to join. In the TCS portal itself I have to log in and give my joining date. In many of the companies it's similar, in Infosys I think as well. After that I resigned within 2 to 3 days, and I started applying for more jobs on the portals, and my 90 days notice period problem got solved. Many suffer from this, so I have sorted your issue. So let's get to the second point, upscaling yourself and doing the certifications, because many of the people ignore this, because many of my colleagues ignored this point of doing certification. Many things it is not important and all, but it affects in your resume shortlisting. So what you have to do is you can do some cloud certifications such as AZ900 or cloud fundamentals, anything from Microsoft or AWS. So I did from both Microsoft and AWS, and even I did a lot of many certifications, and I added it into my resume. So it highlighted and it helps shortlisting, because the keywords matters while shortlisting. So I did a lot of certifications and parallelly upskilled myself on to Udemy or my company's portal. There was many various courses, and I used YouTube as well. I practiced coding into the Java. I did proper DSA, learn various questions that are on LinkedIn, that came onto LinkedIn. I can share those questions if you want. You can just comment below that you need those questions for Java DSA. I will share with you in description. There will be link with the drive. So I did a lot of practice, upskilled myself in these 3 months, and parallelly I did certifications, and I was upscaling my resume as well, day by day, day by day. I was maintaining and upgrading my resume. So next point is building resume on Overleaf LaTeX. So how I build it? So simply I tried making resume in different formats. I tried many formats, you can't even imagine. So finally, after researching a lot, I got one resume format that is of one guy I got from LinkedIn. He got selected to Microsoft, and his format it was. So he edited it into the LaTeX Overleaf. It was a one page resume only, and I also recommend you to only make one page resume only, not more than one page. If you have a lot of experience, then it's different thing, but for 3 to 4 5 years of guys, I would recommend to only create one page resume. So we will go into my laptop screen, and we'll discuss how you can build that resume and which template you have to use for that. तो सिंपली आपको गूगल पे जाना है और डालना है लेटेक्स ओवरलीफ लॉगिन, देन जो वेबसाइट आएगी उस पर आपको क्लिक करना है, देन आपका जो अकाउंट है उसको आपको लॉगिन कर लेना है या क्रिएट कर लेना है अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम हो तो विद गूगल और एनीथिंग यू कैन साइन अप हियर, एंड देन द टेम्पलेट नेम इज फैंग पाथ सिंपल टेम्पलेट. So simply you can see I have edited 3 months ago and all, and it is totally free. I'm not getting any paid or giving any payment or anything. And this templates, after clicking you can simply search your template fang path. Then here it is, you can see this fang path template template symbol template. So this template I have used, and you can also use this template, and it's up to you what you have to add, what sections you have to add. So I added my sections, mostly are similars, but some up and down is there, so you can change accordingly. And if you want my guidance for what I did exactly, where and which sections I have added, I'm going to make separate video for that, so you can refer that. So simply you have to click on open template, and then as you can see here, it is looking a bit complicated, but it is really simple, trust me. So at the right side you can see the first name, last name, all the dummy data. So from the left side you have to enter the data between the tags, and simply click on the recompile. So let me do it. I'm editing my first name and last name in between the tags. So as you can see, after clicking on recompile, it is reflecting my name in the resume, and simply all the data you can change from this resume for yours, and you just have to edit the data. You don't have to touch any tags. And also there's many different features, Abu, you can use. And then as you can see, normal text, bold, and all the things, and there's AI assistant as well. I think there are few free uses daily something for using AI assistant, and here you can download your PDF freely. So it's just as simple as that. But the hassle is every time you have to come here and then edit your resume, and then you can download it. So for full video, subscribe. So on to next point, how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, as you can see on the screen, my LinkedIn profile got hacked, and I even raised complaint to cybercrime. But I got my LinkedIn profile back, but somehow LinkedIn restricted it for permanently. So I can't get my LinkedIn account back. So I'm creating new LinkedIn account and explaining all the details to you how you can optimize your LinkedIn account. So first of all, you have to fill all the details in your LinkedIn profile. You can't leave anything. Education, certification, language, skills, and about section, and your profile headline matters most, because when recruiters search, it highlights. And the current company I have joined, that company's call got I got from LinkedIn. Means the HR came to me from LinkedIn, and I got this job that I'm currently working in. And simply you have to maintain your headlines. There you can add your domains, technologies, keywords that you're working in this company with this technologies, Java, Spring Boot, and or C Sharp, .NET, whatever it is. You can just highlight it, and all the certifications you can add. About section you can fill, and you have to opt for option open to work. And after completely filling your LinkedIn profile, you have to simply go on to the job section. So there are various ways you can apply to jobs. So first 2 months I applied many jobs onto LinkedIn and Naukri, but I got no response at all. After getting offer letter from TCS, I first 2 months I was literally had zero offer letters. All offers I got in my last month. So I will come to that. So simply I started applying jobs for 50 jobs a day, 100 jobs a day even in my last month. So simply you have to navigate to the job section, and then you have to search by your job domain, software tester, software developer, various you can add. Like I went to ChatGPT and I asked it to give me the search keywords for searching into the LinkedIn. So it add like software developer or Java or Java API, like that. It gave me, and I simply pasted it there, and I got various job applications. So I applied many jobs, and you can't just apply blindly. You have to target specifically. You can edit your resume per job if you have to focus on quality, not the quantity, right? So I applied many jobs, and each main jobs I have changed my resume accordingly and applied to them. And also I keep updated my resume. I didn't just uploaded one resume and all jobs I have applied with the same resume. I didn't do that. I changed and upgraded my resume week by week as I upskilled into different skills. And that was for my LinkedIn. Now, next topic is how you can manage your Naukri profile for maximum reach. So, to that, everyone says you should buy Naukri premium subscription, but I did not recommend. At first, I heard you should not buy. Some said you should buy. So I got confused. So for first 2 months, I didn't buy, and I was with no offer letter, and except TCS. And then what happened? At last month, I panicked and I bought it for 1 month subscription of Naukri in my last month. Then I started getting call. It's, I will say ki I benefited from it because I got a lot of calls from it. And there are types of subscriptions for only getting calls and for getting keywords and AI support and everything. So I opt for the other one, AI support, keywords and everything, for 1 month. And I was getting an invites as well, a lot of an invites. I'm still getting calls till today. I got 2 3 calls. Yesterday I got 4 calls for job. It's been 2 months since I joined my this company. Still I'm getting calls. For Naukri, what you have to do is you have to upload your resume, updated resume into your profile, and you have to keep updating it daily. You have to, everyone knows that actually right now, so you have to update your resume daily around 9 or 10. But what I did, I updated it daily, but not just at 9 or 10 a.m. I updated it whenever I thought about updating. Like I simply remember I should go and update now. So before sleeping I updated it, after waking up I updated it, in the afternoon I updated it. So I updated it many times in a day. And then your notice period you have to mention, 90 days remaining, serving notice period 30 days remaining, as such. So you have to keep updating that. And when you are in your last month of notice period, you have to update or keep it as 15 days or less, because when you keep it like that only, then only you get calls. Okay. Otherwise you get less calls as compared to 15 days or less when you select that one. And other than that, I don't have to tell you how to add and fill all the details into your Naukri profile, such as headline tags, profile summary, certifications, which company you have worked, every detail you have to fill. If you want, I can make detailed video onto that as well, how you can manage your Naukri profile in detail depth by going onto my screen, and I can make video for you. So we can for now go on to the next topic. It's really difficult for me to talk because it's been a long time since I made YouTube video. Okay. Now on to smart application strategy, how you can apply to the jobs. So first of all, when you went to the Naukri, then there's two types of job application. First, you can apply, right? There is apply button, and after applying, you have to fill. They ask some questions, your notice period, and last working day, and technology, and all. So that's that. And other than that, they navigate you to the career portal. And in career portal, you have to fill all the details, the certifications you have did, and in more detail you can fill. You have to fill, you can't just lazily fill small things, ऊपर ऊपर से कुछ भी भर दिया, खत्म कर दिया, सबमिट कर दिया. हो गया। ऐसे आप नहीं कर सकते, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम एंड एफर्ट उस पर पुट करना पड़ेगा बस एक एप्लीकेशन पे। You can't just be lazy for that part, and you can even edit cover letter and resume for each different application that you apply onto the career portal. What I did was I simply went to the chat gpt and I asked him for preparing the cover letter for me. The details I provided him and he made cover letter, and then I took his data and I put it into word or pdf as such, and I edited it. And for resume also I did this, and the keywords I got from Naukri, and I did my research as well, and ChatGPT gave me links as well, so I shortlisted and updated it into my resume. I'm going to create detailed video on how you can apply for the jobs in very detail also, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Below is the subscribe button and bell icon. Press that and get notified when I create my detailed videos in resume building and how to apply jobs and how to handle and manage Naukri profile for getting more calls. So make sure to subscribe below and press on the bell icon. Do not forget that. Preparing for the interviews was very difficult task. I was really nervous and shy person to face interviewers. So what I did, I gave many interviews. Like in my first month I only got one offer letter, as I mentioned, from TCS. But in that first month and second month I didn't got offer letters. I gave many interviews, Bentley and many startups. So what I did, basically I got a call from them. I didn't tell them ki I have 90 days notice period remaining. I simply told them I have 30 days notice period, and it is not negotiable. 60 days notice period, it is negotiable up to 30 days or such. I mentioned in them, and they got ready for that, and they took my interview. So as such, I gave many interviews. There are AI interview platforms as well. So आप उन पे जाके बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज़ दे सकते हो, और उन पे इंटरव्यू देने के बाद आगे भी सिलेक्शन का प्रोसीजर होता है. सो दे कैन ऑल्सो navigate you to the job opportunities ahead. So there are such platforms as well, and you can practice many interviews in startups that if you want to join, you can join startups as well. But my focus was big MNCs, so I applied all the startups that I can and practiced giving interviews. I didn't said no to any interview. I gave many interviews and I prepared for it as such. All the HR questions they can ask, all the managerial questions they can ask. So I would like to share with you a managerial round question. It was really tough and funny experience for me, and it was very simple question, but I failed to answer this question. He asked me if in a pond there will be two lotus. When you go on a first day, there will be two lotus, and when you go to the second day, there will be doubled, and third day it will again be doubled. Fourth day it will again be doubled. Then on the 17th day it will get filled completely. Okay, that pond will get filled completely. So in what day it is filled half? That pond is filled half. In what day it will get filled half? As 17th day will be full, then what day it will be half? So this question he asked me, and I failed to answer this. And when later I came out, I really laughed on myself, like how can this be. I failed to answer such simple question. So that I wanted to share with you all. uh, so coming on to interviews, I gave many interviews in my last month. After upskilling myself, I'm getting a lot of calls. It was really tough to handle interviews. In one of the interviewer asked me one Java coding question, and I solved it within less than 5 minutes. He got shocked how I did that. He complimented me a lot. Then he asked me, "Can I give you one more?" I said, "Okay." He gave me one more. He gave me another one. I solved three questions into Java. I got that much confident after 3 months of practicing and upskilling into interviews and practicing coding questions as well. So I didn't do much of coding questions online on various platforms such as Coding Ninja and a lot of Hacker Rank and Lead Code is there. I didn't do much. I simply took most asked questions, coding questions from LinkedIn and YouTube and here and there, and practiced myself onto the compiler, online compiler, and Eclipse as well. And in my last month I gave many interviews, one after another. It was really tough to handle this much interviews. I gave walk-in interviews as well, and I got selected in three of the walk-in interviews that I have gave. And it was really tough. So keep practicing the interviews until you get hang of it and you get confident in it, because in last 15 days you got a lot of calls. When I joined my current company, I got EPAM call from EPAM and Deloitte, and a lot of companies called me after I joined. I regretted how this should not happen. I should have got this call sooner, so I could have joined these companies as at least. So you should practice of interviews, and I got rejected into many interviews. I got rejected into Infosys at February. Okay, it was very simple Java coding question they asked me, but I was unable to solve it because at that time I didn't prepare much. So I got rejected into Infosys, and same Infosys offered me 11 LPA letter. Okay, same Infosys. I got offer from Infosys again. So I got rejected with many companies that took my interview, but still I got 5 to 6 plus offers in hand, and also I rejected one of the 17 LP offer. It is more than 250% hike, I think. So I rejected that offer because it was from vendor. uh, I didn't wanted to take offer from vendors. So what is vendor based job? So basically a third party company hired us, and they basically our payroll company, they gave us payment, and then we will work for another company. So it goes like that. A third party company hire us, we basically are their employee, and they launch or provide us to some working for some other company, many way famous companies such as big company MNC. They ask us to work, and but our payroll will be that company only. So I didn't wanted to do that. I wanted to work with the payroll company that is MNC itself. So I was not want to go that there. um, so basically I rejected that offer of 17 LPA, and many offers I had of these vendors as well, and companies as well. So we will come to that next. So coming on to handling multiple job offers. So as I mentioned, first I had only TCS job offer for first 2 months, and then in the last month I started getting a lot of calls from Naukri and LinkedIn. So I gave interview and I got offers from multiple companies. I had more than 5 to 6 offers, but I can't disclose those companies' names. So I can disclose some of them, like Infosys. I got offer from, and then there's Siemens, Kaiser Permanente, and there's more companies, and the current company that I'm working also. If you want to know that company, then stay tuned. I'm going to share which company I'm currently working. That is different from all the names that I have talked till now.
And many offers I've got. It was vendor based other offers. So the companies are not well known. It was basically startups as well, and some I even went to the last round, HR round, and I rejected them. Test gravity, and there's people five something was there. I'm not able to recall. So I even rejected. I said no, I can't give the HR interview or last interview, because I'm going to join this company itself that I got offer from. It was my company that I've currently joined. So
Once you get offer, you can get more offers. Okay, you, it's not like you are signing any bond or you getting onboarded to any of the company. If you have a question that can you take multiple job offers, then yes you can, because many of the people take many job offers. It's not just me or anyone else. You can take many of the job offers, but which one you have to accept and join, it's up to you. You can reject also at the last point. And as you know what my condition was, TCS was firing many of its employees. So I got scared, and TCS was not responding to my mails that I am mailing them. When is my joining date? Or like they were not responding. I wanted to extend my joining date to 2 3 days, because it clashed with my last working day that I got later. So I wanted to extend, but they were not replying to me. So I got scared. TCS already gave me 70-80% hike, and other companies I didn't had offer letter at that time, so I got really scared. Then that's why I applied really hard, and then I went to 100% hike. Then again, next company gave me 140% hike, 150% hike. As such, I currently in the company that I'm working uh, is Cinecron. Okay, so I went to walk-in interview for Cinecron, and what happened was I completed, gave 2 rounds, first 2 rounds, and in the last round, that was HR round. So basically, they asked me my expectations. So what I said, I have expectations of this. It was more than 200%. I can't disclose that, so I don't want to. So it's more than 200%. So they said, why this much hike you want? So I said, I'm already in negotiation with this amount of for example 13, 14 I'm already discussing with, so you can provide me at least 15 LPA. Okay, so then he said, okay, we will discuss this. For now I'm writing this, your expectation as here, so we will discuss with our managing team, and then we'll let you know, HR will let you know who is your HR. So I said, okay. Then when I got home, then I got a call from HR team that this your package, you're accepted, you can join, you're selected. So I got a lot of happy. Then that's my current company. And why I choose this company, because it has many banking domains, because it is famous for working into the banking domains only, and currently I'm working in banking domain only. It's Indian Bank, very famous bank, and I'm really learning a lot of things regarding APIs and uh, a lot of things. So you really wondering which domain I'm in, what technology I'm working in. So to tell you the truth, I'm working in software testing. I'm an SDET, software development and test. My main technology is Java, language is Java, and other than that there's Selenium, API for rest assured, and other than that there's Postman, and there's many different testing types I have learned. So my main language was Java, and I did a lot of coding in it, so it's not much of a surprise. So even being in a software testing, I took 200% hike. So if you are in software development or DevOps or any other domain or technology, then you can also take that much hike. I was in education domain, so specifically for banking domains, people ask that if you are from banking domain, then only you can work in banking domain, but that's not how it is. If you approach them right, then you can also get anything that you want. So I think that's it for today's video. It's already much long, and I just want one subscribe from you, because I'm going to create detailed video on how you can build your resume and how you can manage your Naukri profile, because that made me shortlist into the various companies. I'm still getting calls for jobs from very big MNCs, and that's because the resume I made and the Naukri profile I managed, and LinkedIn as well. You can think how it got hacked. So it is, there is something in it, that's why hacker hacked it, right? So do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.